Have you ever wondered why we humans have a natural inclination towards meat consumption? It's a question that's been gnawing at us for centuries, sparking debates in the fields of science, anthropology, and nutrition. But to find the answer, we must take a leap back in time, to the very roots of our species' evolution. Let's start with our early ancestors, the hominids. These primordial beings roamed the earth millions of years ago, subsisting mainly on a diet of fruits, nuts, and leaves. But as they evolved, so did their dietary habits. The introduction of meat into their diet marked a pivotal turning point in our evolutionary history. The consumption of meat brought about significant changes, not just in our ancestors' physical attributes, but also in their cognitive abilities. It's thought that the nutrients found in meat, particularly protein and certain fats, played a crucial role in the development of our ancestors' brains. This dietary shift could very well be the reason why we, Homo sapiens, emerged as the dominant species on the planet. But how did this shift occur? It's likely that our ancestors first started consuming meat out of necessity, scavenging from the kills of other predators. But over time they developed tools and techniques for hunting, signaling the start of a new era. Fast forward to today and meat continues to be a significant part of our diet. But why? Is it merely a remnant of our evolutionary past, or does it serve a deeper purpose? These are the questions we aim to explore as we delve into the scientific, anthropological, and dietary aspects of human evolution, and what of the ethical and health considerations surrounding meat consumption in the modern world. How do these fit into the evolutionary narrative? As we journey further into this topic, we'll also explore these critical facets of the discussion. As we delve deeper into this journey, we will uncover the fascinating connections between our evolutionary past and our dietary preferences. So, hold on to your seats, folks. It's going to be a wild ride through the annals of human history and evolution. Our bodies tell a story of our past, a story written in our very bones, and within our digestive systems. Let's peel back the layers of human biology and delve into the compelling evidence that illustrates our evolutionary connection to meat consumption. Our anatomical features and digestive adaptations provide a fascinating insight into this relationship. The first chapter of this biological tale lies within our jaws. Unlike herbivorous animals, which have flat and broad teeth designed for grinding plants, humans have a mixed set of teeth. Our incisors and canines are sharp, perfect for tearing meat, while our molars are flat, allowing us to grind both plant and meat matter. This combination of teeth types indicates an omnivorous diet in our evolutionary past, which included meat. Next, let's journey into our guts. The human digestive system is uniquely adapted to handle a diverse diet. Our stomachs produce hydrochloric acid, a powerful substance capable of breaking down meat. Moreover, our small intestines, where most nutrient absorption occurs, are relatively long, allowing for the slow digestion and absorption of meat proteins and fats. Additionally, humans lack the ability to synthesize certain essential nutrients that are abundant in meat, such as vitamin B12 and certain essential fatty acids. This suggests that our ancestors relied on meat to supply these vital nutrients. But it's not just about what we can eat, it's also about what we can't. Humans have a lower tolerance for cellulose, a primary component of plant cell walls, than many herbivorous animals. This limitation in our digestive capabilities further supports the theory of our meat-eating past. Our bodies also bear signs of our hunting heritage. The whites of our eyes, a rare trait in the animal kingdom, may have allowed early humans to communicate silently while hunting, signaling intentions or alerting to danger without alerting prey. The evidence is clear: our bodies have adapted over millennia to consume, digest, and thrive on a diet that includes meat. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from the experts. Our first expert, an anthropologist, delves into the historical evidence. She emphasizes that early human fossils often show signs of meat consumption, from bones marked by stone tools to remnants of animal protein found in dental plaque. She shares her belief that meat eating was a crucial factor in our ancestors' survival and evolution, providing the necessary calories and nutrients to support the growth of our energy-hungry brains. Next, we turn to a nutrition expert. He highlights the complete protein, vitamins, and minerals that meat provides. He notes that while it's possible to obtain these nutrients from plant sources, it's far more challenging, particularly in the wild environments our ancestors inhabited. He suggests that meat was likely a key source of nutrition for early humans, contributing to our species' development and survival. Finally, we hear from an evolutionary biologist. She explains that humans have unique adaptations for meat consumption. For instance, Our teeth are designed to tear and grind meat, and our digestive systems can efficiently process it. She also points out the genetic evidence. Certain human genes have evolved to enhance our ability to metabolize meat, further supporting the hypothesis that our ancestors were indeed meat eaters. These expert insights paint a compelling picture. From the anthropological evidence of early human diets to the nutritional benefits of meat, to the biological adaptations that enable us to consume it, it's clear that meat has played a significant role in our evolutionary history. This isn't just about what we ate, it's about who we are as a species. But as we delve deeper into this topic, it's important to remember that understanding our evolutionary history isn't about prescribing what we should eat today. It's about gaining insights into our past to better understand our present and future. It's about appreciating the complexity of our dietary evolution and recognizing the multitude of factors that have shaped and continue to shape our food choices. As we've heard from our experts, meat consumption played a pivotal role in our evolutionary journey. But what does this mean for us today, in a world where dietary choices extend beyond survival? To answer this, let's first consider the nutritional benefits of meat. Meat is a rich source of essential nutrients like protein, iron, zinc, and vitamin B12. It's an excellent provider of complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids our bodies can't produce independently. Iron from meat, known as heme iron, is more readily absorbed by the body compared to non-heme iron from plant sources. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with higher iron needs, like pregnant women and athletes. However, the modern dialogue around meat consumption isn't just about nutrition. It also involves ethical considerations. Many people question the environmental impact of large-scale meat production. Issues like greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution are all linked to the meat industry. It's a complex issue with a balance that must be struck between our biological inclination towards meat and the sustainability of our planet. Then there's animal welfare. The conditions in which some animals are raised for meat can be troubling. This has led to a rise in demand for ethically sourced meat, where animals are treated humanely. On the other side of the spectrum, we have plant-based diets. While these diets can provide many of the same nutrients, they require careful planning to avoid deficiencies. For instance, vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products, so supplementation might be necessary. The choice between meat and plant-based diets often comes down to personal values, health needs, and lifestyle. Some people choose a middle ground, opting for a flexitarian diet that includes both plant and animal sources. Others may choose to follow a vegetarian or vegan diet, abstaining from meat entirely for ethical, environmental, or health reasons. Our evolutionary history as meat eaters doesn't mean we're obligated to consume meat. It simply provides context for our natural inclination towards it. Just as our ancestors adapted their diets to survive, we have the luxury of adapting our diets according to our values, health needs, and the needs of our planet. Our evolutionary past has shaped our dietary preferences, but it doesn't dictate them. The choice, as always, remains ours. Our understanding of our evolutionary past and its impact on our dietary habits continues to evolve. As we speak, researchers around the globe are tirelessly working, digging deeper into the evolutionary connection between humans and meat consumption. From anthropologists examining prehistoric remains to biologists scrutinizing our genetic makeup, the pursuit of knowledge is relentless. Each new study, each fresh insight brings us a step closer to understanding our past. For instance, recent studies into the human microbiome are revealing fascinating details about how our bodies have adapted to process meat. On the other hand, investigations into early human hunting techniques are providing fresh perspectives on our ancestors' reliance on meat. Meanwhile, nutritionists are exploring the implications of our meat-eating history on our present-day dietary needs. They're delving into questions like, are our bodies optimized for a diet that includes meat? The story of our evolution is still being written, and every new discovery adds another piece to the puzzle. So, what does all of this mean for us, the modern Homo sapiens? As we stand at the crossroads of evolution and innovation, we must reflect on the profound implications of our evolutionary history. Our dietary past, steeped in the consumption of meat, has shaped not just our physical form but also our cultural practices and ethical considerations. Yet it's essential to remember that we're not bound by our past. Our knowledge and understanding continue to evolve, just like us. New scientific findings, changing societal norms, and emerging ethical perspectives constantly inform our choices, including what we choose to eat. As we navigate the complexities of our world, We bear the responsibility of making informed decisions that respect our history, uphold our values, and ensure our health and well-being. And with that, we circle back to the beautiful paradox of existence. Our past influences us, yet we are the architects of our future. As we continue to learn and grow, let's remember that our past has shaped us, but it doesn't define us. Our dietary choices, like all our choices, are ultimately ours to make.